Hi, this is Molly with Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot you a quick video just to go over a few tips and tricks that you can do with your website and your Google business profile. It's going to help you rank better on Google. So, looking around, it's a really great looking website. Of course, all your links work, and that's very important. One thing that I noticed though, searching all over your front page, I don't see anything that says what area you service. There's zero indication really that you're even in Mass. So that's if I were a customer and I came on here, I wouldn't be able to know if you could help me or not. It's one of those things where if you are trying to market to everybody, you actually won't market to anyone because there's nothing on here that shows where you're at except for down here on the very, very bottom. But there's no back pages that have service areas, which can be very important when trying to rank. So the most important thing would be that content. Google does like to see around 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. And the reason for that is throughout all that content, you can strategically place those keywords. A keyword, that's something that anything that one of your clients is going to put into Google looking for you. So it would be the service and the area that you service. That's your way of telling Google, these are the places and these are the searches that I want to show up for. So I'll show you what I mean. So looking at your information, um, you are getting 294 clicks a month to your site. And that's all because of these numbers here. So you have 1.44 thousand backlinks coming from 386 referring domains. Now, what this means, a backlink is anytime that your website is linked from another site, we call that a referring domain, and it points direction back to you. So it gives you legitimacy and it helps Google trust you and want to recommend you more. But the thing is, not all backlinks are created the same. Some are very, very spammy and some have a lot more authority. So you do want to go after those ones that have more authority. Out of this 386 backlinks that you have, only 326 of them are helping you. The other 60 of them are what they're not referring anything back to you. So you're ranking for 167 keywords. Let's take a look at that. And when we look at keywords, there's two different categories. So there's branded or informational or national ones. What we want to know are local buyer intent ones. When someone is in your area and they want to hire somebody, what are they searching? So Tiger Home Inspection, that's branded. These are all branded ones. Let's see. So Home Inspection Cape Cod, that is searched 50 times a month. You're not getting any of those clicks because you're ranked number 22. Home Inspectors Worcester, Mass, that searched 250 times. You're not getting any of those clicks because you're ranked 38. And the reason for that is you don't have that keyword in here. There's nothing on your site that says you service Worcester or that you service, where was that we saw before? Cape Cod. So let's take a look. So we want to go after the high volume keywords. So let's see. So right here, Boston Home Inspectors. Search 500 times a month. You are not showing up for any of those searches because you're ranked 94 with them. Home Inspection Rhode Island. I think Rhode Island's 45 minutes from Braintree. That's searched 500 times a month. You're not showing up for any of those searches because you're ranked 87. So let's take a look. So I'm going to go ahead and take this first buyer intent word that we found. I put home inspector in Boston, and let's see what comes up. So this is your Google Maps area. This is where your Google business profile really comes into play. You want to do what you can to rank in the top 3 right here when someone does a search. And the reason for that is that 30 to 40% of the people who search are going to stop on one of these right here. So you'll get a high search volume if you can rank in the top 3. So when you fill out your Google business profile, there's an about section on the bottom. Make sure that that section is completely filled out and optimized using keywords. Make sure you're posting branded and geotagged photos to your business profile weekly. Be sure to be responding to all of your Google reviews. A lot of business owners don't know they're supposed to be doing that. But the most important thing is citations. So a citation is anytime that your business address name shows up in various directories on the internet, such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, those kind of things. There are thousands of directories out there, so you do want to go and get listed in as many as possible. So one of the top people that show up is BHI.US, is Boston Home Inspectors. So let's take a look. So they only have 376 backlinks coming from 116 referring domains. So although they do have less domains than you, there obviously is strength there. So you want to find your competitors, find all the referring domains that they're listed at, and get yourself listed in all of those ones too. And make sure that you're outranking each of your competitors by at least 100 referring domains, but really go after the strong ones that they have. But they're getting 683 hits to their site a month, and that's because they're ranking for the right keywords. So let's take a look and see. You want to, again, find your competitors, find what keywords they're ranking for, and get yourself listed there too. So right here, Boston Home Inspectors, they are, out of the 500 searches, they're getting 176 of those because they're ranked number 2. Same thing, Boston Home Inspector, which is different. Home inspectors, 500 times, they're getting 71 of those searches because they're ranked number 2. So it's really, really important that you have those cities in there. Even something as there's mass home inspection. Yeah, it's really just worth it coming in and seeing what your competitors are doing. So I hope that this video is helpful. I hope it just gave you some ideas on how you can rank better on Google and really utilize your Google Business Profile. We hope that it's been helpful. We would love to hear your feedback. Have a great day.